I made a video about how the IRS is coming after taxpayers and make between $400K and $1 million, and people have about zero sympathy. But the comments that I see a lot are, it's voluntary, taxes aren't mandatory. And people are misinterpreting what voluntary means. Voluntary doesn't mean it's voluntary to file or it's voluntary to pay taxes. It's voluntary reporting, right? So the taxpayer is volunteering the information to correctly calculate the tax instead of the government determining your tax liability. And people get really frustrated. They're like, why is the government not just telling me how much I owe? Like, just give me the number. They have all the data. They don't have all the data. You have a lot of the data. They don't know, if people are married or not, if they're gonna file together, what kids they're claiming, what's going on in their business, did they buy a house? That's a lot of information that the government doesn't have a way of keeping updated and tracked. So did you have taxable transactions where you're trading crypto? They get a lot of third-party data, but they don't have the ability to put all the third-party data together and get additional information to determine what credits and deductions are available to you. Now, Congress could fix all this. They made it really complicated. They made it so complicated that most taxpayers can't do their taxes themselves. I'm a tax attorney. I got my bill for preparing my personal income tax return. I have a company, I've got multiple LLCs, and the thing about it is I spent $1,250 to get my personal tax return prepared this year. $1,250 just to get my return prepared. That's wild to me. I have to pay CPA to prepare my taxes and then pay the government like additional thousands of dollars for them to waste our dollars and not really get much in return.